Christina Sieberts, truthinit.com. We are here once again at VMware Explore 2022. I'm standing with Charles from Lenovo. Charles, how are you today?
Very good, thank you very much.
Are you happy to finally be back in person? We've been remote for a couple of years.
It's great to be here and see all the excitement and meet the people in person indeed.
Yeah, I think a lot of people feel that way too. So, Charles, if you could just introduce yourself to our audience, what your title and your role is at Lenovo.
Sure, my name is Charles Feland. I'm the General Manager and Vice President for our communication service provider business and our edge computing business.
Wow, that's great. And so can you just tell us, what are you guys showcasing on the floor today?
There's a lot of things we're showcasing today. So we have a long-lasting partnership with VMware where we are innovating in the space of hybrid cloud, where we have on-premise and supporting them on their private and public cloud strategy as well. So Lenovo has an offer called ThinkAgile that really brings the hardware and the software together. And that is available in the data center and can be stretched now with the VMware Edge Compute Stack 2.0 all the way to the edge side as well. So within the same administrative environment and tools that the VMware users are familiar with, they can now configure their full Lenovo infrastructure with VMware in the data center all the way to very remote edge sites.
Wow, that's great. So can you give me a more concrete example of a challenge or a pain point in the IT environment and how this solution would help solve that problem?
Well, in the data center environment, we have a set of resources that are dedicated in a few areas. So we might have 2 data centers across the US. We've developed a pretty good expertise and our customers have developed a good knowledge on how to manage this. Now you're going to flip this upside down and you say, well, you have a few resources in 5,000 locations across the continent. How do you manage this? And so that's why it's an exponentially more complex for administrators and companies to roll out edge computing because of that the highly distributed computing environment. Therefore, by integrating Lenovo hardware with the VMware Edge Compute Stack, we make it very simple, seamless, and secure to bring that data center VMware experience that they love and enjoy all the way to their branch office, remote office, factories, hospital, and so on.
That's great. I think I just heard a hoorah behind us. A little bit distracting. It's very
excited about this.
Very exciting today. I think my next question was if you could just describe kind of an ideal customer profile. You know, is this solution something that can help organizations kind of across the board, or is there really kind of an ideal type of organization that would benefit from this?
The benefit can apply to a broad range of customers. Really, when we're looking at our hybrid cloud customers, they're looking for a simple way to have a system ready to go on-premise. So they want to diminish the relying on their IT staff to do basic installation and use those skills to deliver more value to the company. So what we do with our ThinkAgile portfolio is bring a simple solution that customer can just plug in and actually use right away. And that value proposition applies to pretty much anybody that wants to optimize their IT staff and IT resources.
Yeah, I think optimization always sounds like a good idea, right? Saving costs. So are there any final thoughts you just want to leave with our audience? Obviously, you guys are here, you're showcasing, we're talking a lot about hybrid cloud. Where can they go to learn more about this solution? Do you have any upcoming events? Anything you want to call out to our audience?
Sure. Well, if you're at the event itself, come to visit us at the Lenovo booth or at the VMware booth, where we're actually running a demo on 2 Lenovo Edge servers and cameras detecting if people are wearing the mask or not. If you're not at the event, you can always visit the Lenovo.com website for more information.
Okay, great. Thank you, Charles, so much for taking a few minutes to speak with us. I hope you have a great rest of the show.
Thank you very much. Pleasure meeting you.
Thank you. And we will be back.